What are the three biggest risks to crypto, and what are the three biggest positive drivers to crypto? Who wants to take that one?
Yeah, so I'd say quantum computing is a risk.
Yeah.
So it's a long-term risk though.
Yeah.
We've still got a long way to go. And over time, it could be able to decrypt a lot of these wallets, especially the bigger wallets that have lots of money inside them, billions. But the thing is, we're still a long way away from that. And if it could decrypt your crypto wallet, then it can easily decrypt your bank account. So
Yeah.
I'd be more worried about my bank.
So those are the biggest risks in terms of the positive. The other opposite side of that is that what are the biggest drivers for cryptos and indeed blockchain?
It's called the 4 pillars of blockchain technology, and I think these are the 4 main drivers as well. So one of them is the automation, so you're automating a lot of things. And then second one is the connected machines, so connected machines will be able to speak with each other and communicate through smart contracts. And then the third thing is also the reduction of fees, so because you're reducing a lot of intermediaries, so a lot of jobs may get lost, but over time a lot of people will improve their quality of life. And then the last one is the security.